Hi students, now we are going to solve MCQ number 8. A wire of length small l carries a current capital I flowing along the y direction and the magnetic field is given by the equation B vector is equal to beta by root 3, constant beta by root 3 into I cap plus j cap plus k cap Tesla. Okay, so current is flowing along the y direction and the magnetic field B vector is given. The magnetic Lorentz force acting on the wire has to be determined. So it is also very interesting numerical problem based on the cross product of two vectors. So what are the two vectors given you see here? So the current element vector is given. The current element vector. So what is current element vector? It is I into L vector. That is acting along which direction is given? Y direction. So the unit vector is j cap. Okay. So this is IL into j cap. This vector is the current element vector. And what is the other vector given? Magnetic field. Okay. Magnetic field vector. So the magnetic field vector is given in the numerical problem itself. So this is B vector is equal to beta divided by root 3. So beta divided by root 3 into I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So I cap is a unit vector along the x-axis, j cap is a unit vector along the y-axis, and k cap is a unit vector along the z-axis. Okay, now we have to find the Lorentz force. First in vector form and next in the scalar form, that is its magnitude. So first Lorentz force is given by the general expression. Okay, Lorentz force is in vector form, it is force vector is equal to IL vector. Okay, cross product IL vector cross product with the B vector. So here it is IL into j cap. Instead of IL vector, we are going to substitute IL into j cap. So vector form force vector is equal to IL into j cap cross product beta divided by root 3 into I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So this is the first step. Now the cross product of two unit vectors, for example, I cross I is 0, j cross j is also 0. So when you do the cross product of j cap with I cap, j cap and k cap, you can see that the j cross j component will vanish. J cross j component will vanish, while this j cross I and j cross k will remain. So these two will remain while j cross j component will vanish. So here the force vector, therefore force vector is now equal to IL beta divided by root 3. That is a coefficient. So IL beta divided by root 3 into, okay, into first component is what? J cross I. Okay, so this is j cross I. Next one is what? Plus the second one is j cross j will become 0, and the third one is j cross k. So the second one is 0 plus the third one is j cross k. So this is a j cross k. So why is the second component 0? I have told you already, because j cross j is equal to 0. Now f vector is equal to IL beta divided by root 3 into, now I cross j we have studied. I cross j in the anti-clockwise direction. If you take the cross product, I cross j is equal to k. Therefore, what is the reverse of it? J cross I, it should be minus k. Is it not? Here j cross I is minus of k cap. So this is minus k cap. Okay. Then what is j cross I? When I, j, k are in the anti-clockwise direction, what comes next to k again is I only. So j cross k must be equal to I cap. So this is a plus I cap. So this can be rewritten. Therefore f vector is now equal to I L beta divided by root 3 into now I cap first I am writing positive minus k cap. So this is in vector form. This is the Lorentz force in vector form. So I want to get the magnitude of this force. Therefore magnitude, magnitude of f vector is modulus of f vector. That is equal to f, that is equal to square root of I L beta divided by root 3. Square root குள்ள ஒரு root 3 இருக்குது பாருங்க. into இது 1 square plus minus 1 whole square. அப்போ 1 square plus 1 square. Coefficient 1 1. அதனால இது 1 square plus 1 square. இப்போ 1 square plus 1 square ஒரு 2 வந்துரும் இல்லையா? or this f is now equal to square root of I L beta divided by root 3 into 2. Therefore f is now equal to square root of 2 beta I L divided by root kulla root 3. So root 3 inside square root. This is our answer. So which is the option? Let us see now. You see the option A itself is the correct. So square root of 2 beta IL divided by root 3. Therefore which option is right for us? So option A is the correct answer. Okay. I hope you must have understood this well. Fine.